Most people prepare for weeks. They grind leak code, read system design blogs, and practice with friends. And then they sit in the real interview and blank. Not because they weren't smart enough, because they never practiced the real thing. Mockseed fixes that. Let me show you exactly how.
Start by clicking on Practice. You set your career stage, your domain, and your exact target role and company, not just front-end developer. Front-end developer at Stripe.
Next, you set the duration and difficulty. Real interviews aren't one round. They're a loop, so you build your exact loop. Behavioral first, then DSA. Most prep is scattered. Random questions, random topics. Here, you choose the exact topics you need to work on. Your weak spots, your blind spots, nothing wasted. This part is optional, but if you're doing a resume or project round, upload your PDF here. The AI reads it and asks you questions about your own work. Before you begin, you'll see a clear breakdown of your session credits. Read the instructions carefully.
Good evening. Glad you're here for the front-end role at Stripe. We'll examine data structures, coding, and behavioral scenarios tonight. To start, please walk me through your background.
Meet Amy, your AI interviewer. She doesn't read you a question and wait. She follows up. She pushes back. She responds to exactly what you said. And you can watch your transcript update live as you speak, so you stay aware of every word. Coding round. Problem on the left, editor on the right. Notice there's no run button, because real interviews don't have one either. Amy doesn't just look at your code. She asks why you wrote it that way, because that's what interviewers actually care about. SQL round. Your table schema and test cases are right in the sidebar. You write your query and walk Amy through your data logic, exactly like a live technical round. System design. A full whiteboard. You drop nodes, connect them, build your architecture. But here's what actually matters. You learn to defend your choices. That's what separates a mid-level candidate from someone who actually gets the offer. Front-end round gives you a goal UI tab. You can see exactly what you're tasked with building, requirements and code in one view. So you're not guessing the standard, you're matching it. After the session, this is where the real work begins. You get a complete breakdown, your transcript, your answers, your overall score, everything on the table. Mockseed doesn't just give you a grade and move on. It shows you your blind spots and highlights what you did well with specific examples. More importantly, it tells you exactly why you might have been rejected today. You also see what a top-tier yes answer looks like, so you know the gap and you know exactly what to aim for next time. And finally, you get a clear plan, what to work on before your next session. Most people walk into interviews hoping they're ready. Mockseed makes sure you are. Start practicing. Show up ready for the real thing.